Hey guys, welcome to Koshti. I'm Cheryl. So guys, today we will see 5 most amazing websites on the internet. So let's start. So guys, first of all comes make any flag computer simulation. So this is the website. Let me just go and just paste this. As you can see, this is flag waiver, and if you see, if we turn off the wind, it's just like that. But the most amazing part is when you click on file, not over here, you need to select a file. You can do it. As you can see, this is the Romit Koshti flag. Let me just turn on wind. Now, yes, you can see it's waving. You can also make this. You can just turn on your logo over there and yes, subscribe for cool videos. Okay, you can just do it and you can play it all the day. Next one comes dancing robot. Okay, so this one's quite interesting. So I will give you all the links of these websites in the description box. So as you can see, this is Sir Dubstep Wiki. Let's dance. Okay, so this one's, you can like it or not, but I loved it. Okay, so this is a plain board, and so domino. So you need to right click. Let's see if I can make up a domino. Okay, okay. Let's make it up from back. Okay, so I'm not an expert in domino making, but some people are, and I think you are it. So, oops, see, I told you, I'm not like that. Okay, so, but we can make it ahead also. Okay, go. Yes, this is the first time ever. Okay. Now let's go to our next website. You can play with this all the day long. Then revolve in Google. Okay, so this one's pretty wild. Revolvinginternet.com. Okay. Can you please stop? Okay, so Doodle Champion Island Games. You can just search it all. Okay, so it's revolving, and that's the name of the website. Let's not search anything, or let's go to YouTube. Oh, let it be. Okay, so I'm not understanding anything. That what's the code of this? Let's see if we can get it. Okay, so here it is, Vimeo record extension. So I think that man has recorded this, and he might have added some animations from the website, so you can see the world. It's just over here. Now let's go on to another website. Okay, so this one's the last website, but that's awesome. You're getting old.com. You can see, let's go on. Okay, so you can make it in 2 modes. This is for me and this is for a friend. So like example, if I put my date as a not third, it's day. Okay, so 03 08 let's say 20115. Okay, 2015. You're getting old. Okay, so you are 6 years, 0 months, and 26 days old. So you are 2218 days old. Okay, so your star sign is Leo. Okay, so Okay, so the total number of candles on all your birthday cakes is 21. Okay, but I'm not born in 2015. Your heart has beaten approximately. Okay, so let me see if I can count ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Oh my God, just in 2015. Let's see more information. Okay, so you have taken approximately 1, 2, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 7 crore, 31 lakh, 19,427. The moon has orbited the earth 81 times since you were born. 81 times. There are about, okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. What comes? Let me know in the comment section. My God, just see that. Okay, so out of 1 lakh people born on the same day as you, approximately 99,168 people are still living. Okay, people who are born still alive, people on birth who are dead. Okay, so results, it's an ad. Oh my God, be 40,000 days old on 17th February 2012. That's a lot of time. Okay, now let's see. You will be 15,000 days old on 27th August 2056. 2056, that's a lot of time. Now, it's over, guys. So, guys, this was today. Hope you like and make sure to like, share, and the most important, subscribe. Romit Koshti. For all these, you know it, cool videos. Goodbye.